Cosmetic wheel repair. You know, when I bought the car last April, the only reason I bought it was because it was on the showroom and it was decked out. It's the only Honda Pilot in America with a racing stripe. And it came with black mag wheels. How many of my black mag wheels are still all black? One.
Oh, impressive.
Impressive, right. The other three are all scraped up. But no one's going to pay to have those wheels fixed. But had I bought my new vehicle here, had I bought a Motor Trend certified vehicle here, for the first 6 months, someone would pay to have my black mag wheels fixed. Where do most people suffer wheel rash?
Curbs.
Curbs, very good. Where are the curbs?
On the roads.
Most people suffer wheel rash going through fast food drive-ins. Next time you go through a fast food drive-in, check out the curbs. They're all black. Okay, drive-in banking. Check out the curbs. They're all black.
Roundabouts.
Roundabouts. Are there curbs on roundabouts?
You don't look at them?
No, I don't see that many roundabouts.
Curbs on both sides.
Yeah.
Okay. Next time I go through a roundabout, I'm gonna look closer.
Some of them.
Most people don't get their wheels fixed when they curb them, but do they end up paying for those curbed wheels? When they trade the vehicle in. All right, what else is on there?
Road hazard.
Road hazard. What is road hazard?
Pothole.
Road hazard is anything in the roadway between the curbs that isn't supposed to be there. Raccoon? A raccoon is not supposed to be there, although a raccoon normally isn't going to damage a tire as much as the raccoon's going to get damaged. If you hit something in the road, as small as a nail, punctures your sidewall, can they fix that?
No.
Normally they don't. I don't know if they can. They tell you.
It's not legal to.
Oh, it's not legal?
A certified repair shop is not supposed to.
Okay. So they're not lying to me when they tell me that they can't fix my almost brand new tire because it's got a nail in the sidewall?
If you go behind Tire Kingdom and give the sketchy guy $20, they'll do it for you, but it's probably going to blow out.
But if you've got a Motor Trend certified vehicle, you don't need to worry about that because we're going to put a brand new tire on that customer's vehicle at no cost to them. By the way, anything under the Select 6 is zero deductible. There is no deductible for paintless dent repair, key replacement, cosmetic wheel, windshield repair, or road hazard. If I hit the mother of all potholes and I bend or break the wheel to the point where it will not retain air, we will pay for a brand new wheel for the customer. Back to, I told you we'll replace 2 keys during the first 6 months. How many? And lastly, we have roadside assistance. What is roadside assistance? Towing. Fix a flat tire, change a flat tire, run out of gas, need a jump. The typical things that AAA or Allstate or any of those the roadside assistance programs provide. Okay, what else is on the card? Anything? I don't think there is anything else on the card, is there?
Looks like that's it.
Well, they get 3 years worth of state inspections, right?
Yeah.
So what are state inspections? $30? So we're going to get $90 worth of state inspections.